Hello everyone. Now we will study the biosynthesis of PHB. PHB for polybeta hydroxybutyric acid. We have studied that PHB is a typical storage material of many different types of bacteria. It is accumulated in the cells as granules surrounded by membrane, and bacteria synthesizes the PHB under appropriate conditions. So PHB is accumulated under appropriate condition. Here appropriate condition means the sufficient supply or availability of carbon source. So these carbon sources are stored in the form of PHB. We will study two different pathways for the PHB biosynthesis. One in Azotobacter beijerinki and the second one is in Rhodospirillum rubrum. So Azotobacter beijerinki follows a three-step pathway for biosynthesis of PHB. Here the substrate or precursor for PHB synthesis is acetyl-CoA. Two molecules of acetyl-CoA condense to form one molecule of beta-keto-acyl-CoA. So this beta-keto-acyl-CoA is formed from two molecules of acetyl-CoA, and the reaction is catalyzed by enzyme beta-ketothiolase. So beta-ketothiolase synthesizes one molecule of beta-keto-acyl-CoA, and this beta-keto-acyl-CoA is further reduced by NADPH. The reduction occurs on beta carbon and the product form is D-beta hydroxyacyl-CoA, D-beta hydroxyacyl-CoA or butyryl-CoA, D-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA. This D-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA is the substrate for polymerase enzyme. That polymerase is D-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA polymerase. So two molecules of D-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA react with each other to elongate this chain of poly-beta hydroxybutyrate. So many such molecules of D-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA reacts with each other to form poly-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA. These reactions are catalyzed by enzyme polymerase. So this is a three-step reaction which is followed by Azotobacter beijerinki. This second organism is Rhodospirillum rubrum. The Rhodospirillum rubrum do not have this second enzyme, that is D-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA dehydrogenase. This D-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA dehydrogenase is not present in Rhodospirillum rubrum, and therefore instead of this D-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA, the Rhodospirillum rubrum synthesize the L-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA. So this is an L conformation of beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA. So this beta keto butyryl-CoA is reduced to beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA by this organism. Here NADH acts as reducing agent and the reaction is catalyzed by enzyme L-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA dehydrogenase. Now this L-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA is converted into D-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA by enzyme crotonase. So there are two types of crotonase present in this cell. They are designated as crotonase 1 and crotonase 2. So crotonase 1 catalyzes the dehydration reaction. The water molecule is removed, forming an intermediate, that is crotonyl-CoA. So L-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA is converted into crotonyl-CoA, and the crotonyl-CoA is hydrated by crotonase 2 to form D-beta hydroxybutyryl-CoA, and then the D-beta hydroxybutyryl CoA molecules are polymerized to synthesize PHB, and this reaction is catalyzed by enzyme D-beta hydroxybutyryl CoA polymerase. So in Azotobacter beijerinki, the reactions are number 1, number 2 and number 3, whereas in Rhodospirillum rubrum the sequence of reaction is number 1, number 4, number 5, number 6 and number 3. So in this way these two pathways helps in synthesis of poly-beta hydroxy butyric acid. Thank you very much.